Man, I cannot wait to get on a motorcycle.
Don't get ahead of yourself, bro.
What do you mean?
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Harley
Oh,
Davidson.
here we go.
Hi, my name's Nick.
Hey, Nick.
This is Chip.
Hey, what's up, Chip?
What's going on now?
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, how can I help you today?
I'm here to get my first motorcycle. I've never rode before, so I brought my friend Chip here. He rides a Honda. He knows this stuff.
Oh, I know.
Oh, dang, a Honda rider?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, brother.
Thanks, bro. So yeah, I'm just gonna look for a bike and then probably buy one today.
Sweet, man.
Don't get ahead of yourself.
He keeps saying, I don't know why he keeps saying that.
Let me show you a few things that we have on the floor.
Yeah, we can go look.
All right.
I like the all blacked out look. What do you think?
You
Yeah.
got the 135.
Yeah, plenty of power.
Yeah, you can do this yourself in your garage. No point in buying it right off the bat.
I mean, it'd probably be cheaper just to do it.
Yeah, finance?
No?
I don't think so. Not with the interest rates this guy's going to give you.
No?
Nah. Next.
Like I said, Chip, he's bought a ton of motorcycles, so he knows a lot about this.
Yeah, one or two.
I trust him. This is the one. I like this.
Check this one out. It's got that new 117 Milwaukee 8 motor.
Oh, what's the 117 mean?
It's cubic centimeters.
Cubic centimeters?
Yeah.
Oh.
How many cubic centimeters do you have on your Honda?
Oh, way more than 117.
Yeah, it does.
like
I
double.
seen a picture of it.
Yeah.
It's like double.
Is it shaft drive?
I don't know what that means. Let's move on.
So I could probably do like a payment like $800-900 a month. No?
Why settle for that, bro? With today's interest rates, you need to haggle a little bit. Don't just take what this guy's giving you.
Realistically, depending on your credit, I think we can get you somewhere around there.
Really?
Think
Oh
so.
man, that's a cool idea. I like that. We're riding a bike home today.
Maybe a slight down payment.
Put pen to paper, bring your white out, bro. Get back to us.
I've got one I think that you're really gonna like. Let's go ahead and go upstairs. This one I think is gonna fit you perfectly.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Suit your needs,
Yeah?
and I think it'll be in that $800 to $900 payment range that you're looking for. Okay.
Dude, that's so exciting.
Yeah, you might as well jump in this hole, bro.
Huh?
All right, bro. So this is the one that I'm talking about.
Dude, I love that color.
No, not that one.
I mean,
This is our Benelli TT 135.
it's got a 135 in it?
Yeah, bro. This thing's sick. It's got that Advancing Pines 1-2 pipe.
Huh.
It's got bimbo brakes.
What?
Yeah. Check it out.
I can almost flat foot it.
Yeah. This one fits you just
What do you think,
right. What
Chip?
do you think, Chip?
I can
We'll
keep up
see,
with you
we'll
on
see the
this.
numbers. We'll see the numbers.
I could
Like-
keep up with him on this.
Like I said, I could probably get you to the $800 to $900 a month pay range if that's what you're looking for, man.
I mean,
You got the dyno sheet?
I do actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to see
Just ran
that.
it yesterday.
I'm gonna need to see
I bet
that.
this has so much power.
It does.
Yeah, let's get this one. I want to buy this one.
All right, well, let's go do some paperwork and we'll see where we can get you at, all right?
Okay. Dude, I'm so excited to get this bike. There he is.
Gotcha, brother.
Yeah.
Here we go. I just talked to my manager, and for that 135 Harley Davidson TT, MSRP is $22,850.
It's not bad.
Out the door, I got you at $38,950, brother.
What? That's
Yep.
a lot of more money.
Huh?
That's a lot of money.
It sounds like it, but let me run through a couple things with you.
Okay.
We have an assembly fee, admin, dock fee, vending, facilities, parking, and child support.
What? Wait,
So let's
some of these I get, but what's facilities?
You did take a shit earlier, right?
I mean,
Toilet
yeah.
paper and paper towels aren't free, brother.
Oh, parking?
Yeah.
What?
That's your car, right?
Yeah.
$20 a day. Park here at this dealership.
What?
I mean,
Oh.
we gotta
Man.
pay the guys outside to clean the parking lot, pick up cigarette butts,
What?
things
Dock
like that.
fee? I mean, that's admin, isn't it?
Oh, I mean, dock fee. The bike came in, and they unloaded it at the dock in the back. I gotta pay the driver.
Oh. What?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I mean, if that's how it has to be.
Nothing's free these days, my man.
Oh man.
Where'd the child support come from? You ain't got kids.
No.
Whoa.
What's that?
Oh, you have a question about the child support?
Yeah.
I thought you said you did have kids.
Uh-uh.
We include that in financing, so that way you get a better deal on your child support and your interest rate that you're paying now currently. Does that make sense?
I mean, I guess.
But you do have kids, right?
No. I don't
Well,
have kids.
Okay. I mean, I did do a lot of work on this job. I have kids. I'm not making any money off of this.
Oh.
So, I mean, that would help me out. So we'll just go ahead and do a direct deposit to my account.
Huh.
But we'll just do 50% of what I owe.
Oh,
and I'll be hooking you up with that deal. Is that cool?
I mean, if I take this deal, is this deal good for today? Like, should I do it?
We're walking, man. We're walking.
Okay. This is what I'll do. I'll take the child support out.
Child support out and give me 50% off on that vending, and I think we can have a deal.
Well,
I didn't even eat any snacks here.
well, he had a bag of chips earlier, so we got to charge for the like, again, snacks, Tootsie Rolls, chips, sodas, drinks, that kind of stuff.
Stuff's
It's
not
free.
cheap.
It's not free. It's not cheap.
All right, I'll sign it.
Okay, go ahead and sign right here. Let's get you on that new ride. Woo! Congratulations, bro. Let's go ring that bell.
Okay.
All right, congratulations, brother. Ring the bell.
I get to ring the bell?
You do.
Oh, dude.